Hi guys, this is Scott again with American Realty, coming to you from the beach in Playa del Carmen. Look at the sea behind me. It's one of our beautiful 320 days a year of sunshine. It's a great day. There's not a cloud in the sky. I'd like to take a moment to talk to you today about the most popular question we get, and that is, can I actually own property in Mexico? And more specifically, can I really own a condo in Playa del Carmen? Well, look at it this way. When you get off the airplane at the airport, you walk through, you see signs for Coca-Cola, for Marriott, for Hilton, all of these businesses that have invested in Mexico. And then when you walk in town, you see places like McDonald's and Burger King and Forever 21 and Old Navy. All of these businesses have invested heavily in property in Mexico. Why do they do that? Well, they did their due diligence and know that their property investments are safe here. Matter of fact, in Mexico, the #1 source of income is tourism and foreign investment. They protect it vehemently here. So to answer your question is, if these companies can own their property here, you absolutely can also own your condo in Playa del Carmen. Not only can you own it, you can do whatever you want with it. You can rent it out, you can Airbnb it, you can live in it, you can make improvements, you can sell it, you can will it to your heirs. You own it for good. And that is the great thing, because now you have a place to come and get away from the mayhem in the United States and Canada and enjoy a beautiful day on the beach like I am today. Hope to see you soon, and for more information, click on the link below to schedule your Zoom call with one of our experts.